Welcome to Burlap Teachers. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to study English Madhyam. First, understand your curriculum and what you need to learn. Building a strong vocabulary is key. Try to learn 10 new words every single day. Dedicate at least 30 minutes daily to reading various texts, from news articles to short stories, to improve your comprehension skills. This consistent effort forms a solid foundation for all your English medium subjects. Active learning makes a huge difference. During classes, listen carefully and take clear, organized notes that you can easily review later. Don't hesitate to participate in discussions and ask questions right away if something isn't clear. Consistent writing practice is also vital. Spend about 15 minutes each day summarizing what you've learned or simply journaling to improve your expression. These habits reinforce your understanding significantly. Grammar is the backbone of effective communication. Make it a habit to review grammar rules regularly and complete exercises to ensure you understand them thoroughly. To boost your speaking confidence, practice speaking English for at least 20 minutes every day with anyone you can. Additionally, dedicate 30 minutes to listening to English podcasts or watching shows with subtitles. This improves both listening and pronunciation. Consistent review is crucial for long-term retention. Set aside time each week, perhaps 2 hours, to revisit all the material you've covered. Identify any areas where you feel less confident and dedicate extra practice to those specific topics. The most important thing is maintaining a consistent study routine, ideally dedicating at least 2 hours daily to your English medium subjects. Regularity ensures steady progress and mastery.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if this video helped you.